I'm in the person of Dr. Solomon Mafu Ayesu, the head of Department of Fashion Design and Textile Studies. And you know, Fashion Design and Textile Studies started at Kumasi Technical University. Achebibri, you share from history, the 40 years, and I in fact Eduanine. I said you made bibri. Ye per se, ye ma amansan nyina ehu. Na wo hu ene pa Kumasi Technical University Fashion Department. Ewo edema amansan. They are edikan ena ene ewie yehu. Ye friend no potokasem health screening. We have a number of students, more than 2,000 students under our faculty. It is a say baby away Adakojache campus. It is a sanity there. Ye nyina ye metwen share na ye hwe apomuden. Esane say ye apomuden a ena ye adwuma ye nkola na say ye nuanum kuma school kono so ebe den ebedimu ama won adesua so aye den akwanim. So we organize this health screening for the students, and thanks be to God. In fact, na asase na ye nsusu say ebeba ni say, but the patronage is so higher. We are even overwhelmed with the number of people that are coming. In fact, we are doing screening such as cervical cancer, hepatitis B. We are also checking for blood sugar level. We are also looking at eye screening and other minor screening. And there fee anopa yeshas here. We to aso de akwakusi say nonum ebebo. In fact, the whole Kumasi Technical University Adakojache campus, both staff and students, and but kwa mi refia manka prostate cancer for a member and also can health screening no.
Every department, growth 40 years down the lane. What has been the major success stories of the department so far?
Okay, say you share history now. We were told say what started department the nipa be do me no pen or the shas here. But and they are aging I can say a student in Yinabuma, we are over 2,000. In terms of population, school Munina say the third highest, then we may even be the second highest department in students doors. Now you can't growth maka the numbers. But what I say I can say we chawani the shebe be a new place yempanyfo hu say ehu behia esan say number no kwa anim no na say yenya baabi a ye de disuafo no be den ebeba na ama practical adisua no aye den akwa anim enti ema wo see edan kakraka a esi hai a wotwa wani hwa wo hu a yan ato ni din say F-cut block ba ni nyina mu no fashion department and students in the edorsum. I can say 1/3 of this block is for the fashion department. Block here we so machines bebre. Students no edition in Sanejuma, ye fano adepam any design in ho. Ye san wo baby a textiles, ye wo baby a textile testing, ye wo baby a textile printing, ye baby a textile dyeing. 80 yakwa nim bebre in terms of what? Infrastructure. But technology is what nyame adom ye wo computer block. Even though ye beka say computers say one and do sombro so, but there will be kakra. The ebesra mansani say with our number as about 2,000 plus, we need support for computers for technological advancement in our education.
Aside from Saadi Babaka, computers, what are the major challenges at departments in face here? Applying in the mission in terms of textile and fashion education.
In fact, the fashion and textile education now. Let me go back to say. At first, I also completed Kumasi, then Polytechnic. Our number was the largest. That was, I think, 85 at that time, 2003. And now the class give us more than 200 students. More than 200. This year, our BTech student that we have first year alone is about 208. So we building when I say one class, 208. Then you ask yourself, say, Heath na will be there. 80 building there that is yoko, but the nipa na ebroso. Until we need infrastructure. We need expansion of the infrastructure, especially the practical laboratories. We need expansion. It is a one abandoned besha. In fact, kind of nasa woka say fashioner na man force through. I say tiwi for and the senior fashion. But the name I mean culture. Last year November, and a close to BTech admission. Say yen to me in fact obiabim. Esan say nipa na eba yen to me den emfa. 80 fashion now is no more for those who are weak. We have a number of people here whose grade was around A, B, the worst was C, but they couldn't get admission to read fashion. It is a abandoned to me by moi. Now we put another block, even just for practical facility. I think it's a bois, and the bet to me my student in the when it comes to the theoretical side, oh, that one we don't have much problem. But then when it goes to the practical, one person supposed to have one machine to work with. And the machines that we are having here are 120. And the 120 for 208, that is one class. How can you train them? You can't handle it at the same time. You have to, sometimes you have to divide the class A, B, C, D. And it doesn't help. It is abandoned by a. We also have a new laboratory for textile testing. Atare ye shade obi ani wa obetumi aka say on sha atare. Atare ye she no e say ye hu ne e be boa yen skin no ne e be boa yen skin no ne ye be sha ye be che ne ye be sha ye si a empa na ma watumi ahye ache eno na ye testing na ye friend textile testing. Nyame adom university na sidan na man na ye need any apparatus to do this testing. It is abandoned boy now we provide such apparatus for us and can any beji.
Very finally, in the the textile industry, we are producing thousands of students. Unemployment rate in where your industry now is vibrant enough to absorb all these graduates.
Thank you for that question. In fact, here in training in Wahano, and yet specifically for how should I say, the white man job. We are training the students in such a way, say, oh yeah, or no abetumi establishing itself. And it's not can say, Sabani be boyen, ne more facility in terms of machines, in terms of equipment, in terms of teaching and learning materials. You bet me training students in such a say, oh fiha, and ya fe na okofa ne pen cultural letter say okopa ejuma. And the year research, I'm an actually say, anye biano, your students are a training one about 60 to 70%. We are one co and copy a juma or baby, I want to establish one so. It is a binary canny ashe. I would say technical and vocational education now. I think it's a bit boy or minor. Now a binary so a bit reduce the burden of unemployment and other things in the country. It's a binary canny and measure Kumasi Technical University Fashion Department. On canny measure. Na yenim say enkola ye training won empempem afibiano eno so beboa amomai no akonanim.
Recently president declared Wednesday as Fugu Day. O share nyoma kama ye wa hanoma is no worrying say that so imported clothing when we are people on betimi ayebi aba yankasa no ya promote a local fabric.
Thank you. Question we Media Meka Mamenka ni say just declaring Wednesday as a Fugu Day cannot solve the issue. Bisa say Fugu na wo ye no ahoma wodi ye Fugu no wonya free. Enkan no na the yarns are produced in Ghana. Let me say the fibers are produced in Ghana. They do the spinning and everything Japan. and the process ma yenya yams. 80 Ghana Hania or northern region, all the northern region would be a cotton. And the cotton that they produce there, they process it and then send it to Japan. And Japan also processes it into what? Yarns. And then the yarns are also taken back to the north for them to do what? To weave the fugu. But the axe today, what I say, warrior ahumano, ewo Ghana ha na. It is abano per se fugu na we declare Wednesday no. Say eko animu dia. O make sure say wobema the cotton cultivation no beba back. Then also support Japan so that they will be able to what? Process it. Because Japan is not functioning because they are not able to get raw materials to process. And if they are not getting raw materials and they have to import raw materials, they will lay workers off. And he started grow cotton. No? Now you cotton from Ghana to feed Japan. Now Japan and so a process here. Japan will also feed back those who are doing what? The weaving. And the weaving, when they are done, they get the fabric. And the fabric come to us as fashion designers to also what? Use it. So you see, it's cyclical. From the raw material to the yarn to the fabric, and then the fabric comes to what? The fashion designers, and they use this one to produce, and that one will help us to get the fugu. And if you are able to declare Wednesday, then that side needs to be also looked at. Else, the yarns are going to be imported with a huge cost, and we are going to continue to buy the fugu at a higher price. Only few that will be able to afford the fugu, and that one will not make that declaration any success.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.